Welcome back, class 9. We'll go with practical session in this week. We'll start with writer. Here we will work with MS Word. We can go with MS Open Office also. We'll learn from the top bar of the Word, that is called title bar. You can see the name of the document is here. Along with the name, you can see the quick access toolbar. This is called save, undo, redo, and a button, drop down button. You can customize it. How we can? That I am swinging. I can select here minimize the ribbon. So entire ribbon will goes off. We can again undo it. We can add some link, or can say items, in the quick access toolbar. For example, I want to add quick print. You can see here it is added. I want to add spelling and grammar. It is added here. So with this we can easily click for a work. Now, so what we can do from here, we can customize the quick access toolbar. We can add, remove items that are available here. We can minimize it. We can make it below the ribbon like that. So now the quick access toolbar is just below the ribbon, you can see. We can make it at the top. So this is title bar, this is quick access toolbar, this is office button. So what we have here: new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, published, and close. Right, we will check with each and every one. Right, we'll come back here again. So this is a menu bar. These are all menu: home, insert, page, reference, mailing, review, view, all are menu. And this is a ribbon. We'll start with font today. So you all have worked with, already experienced with, but still, as it is in your syllabus, we have to start from the scratch. So how we can do? We will, this is the topic that I have copied from internet. You can type it down. I wish to make this one the font like same this phrase data. How we can do? Easily in one go, we will click on here, and then we will click on format painter and apply this, the whole. The entire style of this line will be applied here. To undo it, you can click here, undo. Copy, paste, cut, you all know. Though it is in your syllabus, I have to show you. So I am selecting it. Now cut, and then I can paste here, paste, and again paste. Again I am coming here and again paste. There is a shortcut also: Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Right. So what I have done here, it is cut option. So cut and paste. So entire data will be cut and it will be paste here. Paste. Right. And in the case of copy and paste, so this is selected, I copied it and I pasting it again here. So in that cut and paste, the source is deleted, and in the copy and paste the source remain intact and the new copy is pasted wherever you want. So this is all about your clipboard: cut, copy, format, painter, paste. Now we will learn about the fonts. So I'll show you. This is a font style, right? So for example, I can select it down and then I can apply any font that I can do. You'll learn at least, you'll do with practical at least 10 font using. For example, you're writing your name. For example, I'm doing here DSB school. So I will paste it 10 times. Control C for copy and Control V for paste, 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 paste. So 5 I have done here, right? So I will apply a style. For example, this one. You have to search from your computer and apply different interesting style. You have to do it again and again. For example, I can show you some interesting typesetting. I can show you more from here. This one. I want to give another style here. Okay, Comic Sans. This. We'll try to apply some uncommon style. With this, you will know how to work with. Come down, come down, come down, and yeah. Bradley had this thing. So now you come to know how these different font are available and you can work with. Now we can work with size also. I am showing you two cases. You can make it larger. You can make it smaller. You can make it smaller. You can make it, more larger, and you can use also this one. Right. If you wish to clear formatting, click on it. All the format will be cleared. You can apply, for example, I can apply bold. So for every cases, for example, I am writing here for example CBSE board. Well, regarding your board exam, you have 50 marks theory and you have 50 marks practical. Here you have to make a project file for Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I'll share you the detail in next week how to do the practical file, how to make a practical file and make a copy of all your work that you are doing day to day. You need to take out the printout and submit during the practical exam. So now come back to our course. That Control C, Control V. I'm making it okay now. So now I want to make it not bold at all. I want to make it, so let's make it, remove all the formatting first. So now I make it bold. I make it, let's increase the size first. Okay, I make it italics. You have to do, don't take it lightly. Though I understand but still you have to do, and do it, bit by bit. With this you will learn how to use it. Okay, now I want to write down, I want to apply both the style. So all the styles, bold, italic, and underline. And also now come here, I want to apply strike through. Done. So now here again I am showing you some interesting. I want to write down H2O. Okay, stop it. H2O. H2O, or not O, H2SO4. So how I can do? See, I make it selection first, and then I make it subscript. Subscript. Done. I want to write a formula, a square, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how I can do? Select it first and then superscript. Done. So here we learned font style, size, increasing and decreasing size, removing the formatting, bold, italic, underline, strike. Now come color. You can set the background color by this. You can set the different background color. This one. Apply for 10 different, at least 10 times for every work, right? You can also apply the font color. I want here font background color, say this one, and font color you can say, select it again first, and you can say font color this you liked, or this one, right? So for this week you have to do the practical, right? The practical we learned from here, that is using of clipboard, using of font, and using of quick access toolbar. I can teach you today the different options of menu, but do it first. Next week I will do it. Okay, that's all for the day. Do the practical again and again until and unless you are easy with the practical with all the tools. Okay, thank you.